What else there left to say when everything seems so sad and grey? Everyone need happiness, pave a way to a life that is able to take away the pain that I feel every day. I'm hating the fact that I may waste away. Back to the life over yesterday. Why did I have to play this way when I knew that I would say that I sucked, that love wasn't bringing craziness, that I could not be sent away? Are you feeling me? Yeah. Where do I start? What do I say? Last time we talked, your hands was raised. There ain't even man. I just thought you should apologize. All the things I did for you and all what you did is telling me lies. Never ever let you back, cause you hurt my heart. And baby, I'm gonna benefit just all the memories and build that all what we had was a big mistake, and all I want is your honesty. But you couldn't get me, and you were back to say you want me.
مستحيل اضعف وجيك، ماني لعبة بين يديك. انسى كل اللي صار بيا وانسى كل اللي صار بيك. غيرت كل شي بحياتي، ما عدت من امنياتي. لا تظن ارجع واحبك، هذا جرح من ايديك. انت ارخص من دمعتي واغلى من عندك ضحكتي. ما اضحي بكل شي لاجلك، حتى ما دخن عليك.
مستحيل
هذا عندي يعني ذله، وانا كل مغروره منه. حتى لو بي انت ساكن لا تفكر مره جيك.
ما امين
شغلة واحدة اقول لك اني هسه لو انت بمكاني ما تحير وما تعاني، تنسى وتعاشر حبيب زين. واني هسه صابر، انت تشكي وانا كابر. المفروض اني اقول لك يلا جيب ايام جيب. يا عجيب يا رهيب ما تهمني يا حبيبي. يلا غيب ارجوك غيب، حتى وانا بين حضنك صرت احس روحي